So, at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin yung isa sa unang tinatakbuhan because you never judged me for what happened because you simply understood me as your little sister. And now, saying you're here about to start this new chapter of your life, I feel mixed of emotion kasi masaya ako sobra na you found your perfect step, si Kuya Stephen, to be with you forever. But at the same time, ang konting karot sa puso ko kasi because dati I grew up with now is building your own family. Ang isipon ako. Sorry. But then I realized na kahit isa-isa na kayong kinakasal sa mga kapatid ko dyan, lalo na akong paano yun, mawawalin ako ng kasama sa bahay. Wala na akong ate ko sa bahay. Kami na lang kung isa lang ito na yun. Kaya nag-realize, hindi naman kayo nawawala, nadadagdagan lang tayo. So sana wag niyong kalimutan na may bunso kayo sa bahay. Uuwihan niyo pa rin ako So, to the man standing beside her, thank you. Thank you for loving my sister the way she deserves to be loved. So, thank you for choosing her ng buong buo ng walang takot, kaba, pag-aalindangan at pagdududa. Pero, simple lang hiling ko. Kinuha mo siya sa amin ng masaya at buo. Siguraduhin mo, araw-araw mo siyang pipiliin kaysa sa Mobile Legends, ha? Basta alagaan mo siya. Sana wag mo siya pagbuhatan ng kamay or sasakit na salita. Ako nagkakatawa. Please continue to be her safe place, her partner, and her best friend. And tandaan mo, you're not just marrying her. You're marrying into a family that loves deeply and protects fiercely. Pero bago matapos ng speech ko, nalala ko lang, kapag ako na ikakasal, sino magiging bilang honor ko? Si Biba! Joke lang. Anyways, welcome to the family. Alagaan niyo ang isa't isa, especially on the hard days. Pero bago mag-toast, may prepare kami ni Gab na game. Lahat ng masasalo niya ng cash sa inyo na, pero kapag nahulog sa sahig, bawal niyo nang kunin. Joke lang, Joke lang, sige, bigyan mo na yung gift natin. So, itong gift na to, simple lang to. So, prepare lang namin to in rush. Ayan, so, ayun. To the both of you, may your marriage be filled with love, laughter, and endless understanding. Kahit anong mangyari, please, piliin niyo pa rin ang isa't isa every single day.